Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Oseadeyo, and today we are at the Dubois Center for the first Saturday market organized by Green Butterfly. Let's get right into the video.
Hi, this is Crete and Co. My name is Charlene, and that's my partner Supriya. We make vessels out of concrete. They're all handmade. We make them ourselves. They're fully customizable. You can use them for anything from plants to your makeup brushes, to hold your cutlery or utensils, a wide range. You can find us on Instagram. It's Crete and Co, one word, so CRETEANDCO.
Hello, my name is Yvaya and this is Green Butterfly. We make skincare products, we make body butters, shea butter. It's all handmade, made in Ghana. This is for massage. We have oils for your hair, for your skin. And then we have soaps here. We have antibacterial soap, hibiscus soap. Actually, the antibacterial is very essential in this period of COVID-19. So, yeah, and we have honey. This is straight from the hive to bottles. So sometimes when you buy this, you might even see a bee in there. And then we are the organizers of this market. So this whole market, we are helping artisans to come here, display their wares, sell their wares. Some people don't even have shops. This is where they sell to make a living, take care of their kids, take care of the home. So yeah, that's what we are doing. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Green Butterfly, and then also you can reach us on our website www.greenbutterflygh.com.
Hi, so I'm Yvette, and I'm the co-founder of a dried fruit company. And we make all natural tropical dried fruits, so dried mango, pineapple, pawpaw, and banana. And we're for sale here at the Dubois Market and Koala, ShopRite, etc. And yeah, people should definitely support us. We're a young group of people just working hard. And we're at Yvaya Farm, so Yvaya Farm on all the social media.
My name is Ali Musa. This is the product that I'm doing. This is from Ghana. We do buy this is Fanti. This is Fanti, and this is a Shanti lady. We carve them here. We have the colors who carve, and then we signed it, and then give him the color, the dress like this. And at times we do go for the foreign product also. This tortoise is from Burkina Faso, and we have it in Mali as well. You understand? So that's where we go. When we go to we used to go to the bazaar. They are having some big market there called Siao. Every 2 years, including this year, like they will make it on October. But it's unfortunate because of this coronavirus. I think they cancel it. So you see, I blend with the Ghanaian stuff and the Ghana stuff. And this one as well. You see the fat ladies, snap them picture. They're from Cote d'Ivoire. That's where we get the carving. So we're also trying to carve them in Ghana here. You understand? But originally from Cote d'Ivoire. And then we have the Ghana. See the waiter. You can snap the waiter. The one holding the two ladies, the fat ladies now. It's a Ghanaian carved wood. You see, that's column from Ghana. But the tall ones are from Cote d'Ivoire. So you can see the difference. And this one is called Sammas, the blue and white. We call it Sammas, but it's called Grushi. It's a tribe. But normally Ghanaians, when they buy, they say Sammas. So it becomes Sammas here. But you have the name, it's a tribe. Everything that you have here, they have their own tribe. We have Dan. Dan, they came from they're from Liberia. But they have a border, like the way we have it in Ghana and Togo. So they also have the mask, you see, with the raffia, with the beer at the top. That's how we get all the masses. They are different from Cote d'Ivoire, from Mali, as I can tell you. You see the big door, you can snap the big door. See at your back here, and you zoom it nicely. It's called Dogon. Dogon is a tribe in Mali. They have their region in Mali. They were called Dogons. And they have a nice history there. They have any animal you say that they have it there. Tetakwashi Art Market. You know, when you are coming from Tetakwashi, the road that takes La Paz, you will see the long art market. That's where we located. That's where I located. My shop is shop 50 when you come there. and the market called Global Handicraft Association.
Prices.
For the prices, it's reasonable price. This one like this is 300 CD. But at times customer we do talk and we bargain.
So much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
I'm Roland from Moringa team, and we are into herbal products. We have the Moringa powder. Yeah, with the, this 50 series, you just add it to your meal. This Bois powder, that's also 50 series. This detox tea, that's also 50 series. We produce the juices. This Moringa juice, it comprises of Moringa, pineapple, dandelion, ginger and lime. And we also have pineapple and ginger. With our juices, there is no water, no sugar, no preservative.
And does it spoil?
Yeah, when it stays out for too long. Yeah.
What's the average duration?
When it's in the fridge for 10 days. But in the freezer, it can last for 2 weeks.
This one has pineapple and ginger, so freshly pressed pineapple and ginger. So it settles at the bottom, so you have to kind of shake it. Okay. Okay, sealed. Okay. So first you like taste the pineapple. It tastes so fresh, like really fresh, sweet pineapple, and then you get like a hint of ginger. So at first the ginger flavor comes, but it doesn't last and burn your mouth, because I don't like ginger, but I would actually drink this. Yeah, the juice, it's like normal juice consistency. It's not thick or, yeah, it's like juice basically. Yeah, it tastes really, really, really fresh, really fresh. Yeah, it tastes good. Okay.
Blue flower and this passion fruit, the passion flower. We have the mint. We also have peppermint. We also have moringa leaf. This is the peppermint.
And how much do they cost?
The peppermint is 10 cedis.
For the bag?
Yeah. The blue flower is 20 cedis. The passion flower is also 20 cedis. And also the moringa is also 10 cedis. And also you have the passion fruits. We have a farm which we grow all those things with. And that's all.
The company is Joninod Crafts, and we make stuffs like furniture, interior decors, and home accessories. Yeah, I use the technique of waxing fabric, the African fabric, on wood or any other medium. So that's what you see there. The mirrors, this is a shelf and a table as well. Coasters.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then you can see the dining set. Yeah, with a fabric, African fabric print on that. The screen is 1,200.
What about these?
The set of 4 bowls is 250.
Where can we find you?
I'm located at Numwa, near.
Close to us.
Oh, okay. Near the Best Western Plus Hotel. You're on the beach drive. Yeah.